In this video, we'll have an example and we will find the distribution of y equal a square root of x when x has a uniform distribution. So using the previous example for y equal x2 and assuming that distribution of x is uniformly distributed minus 1 and 1, x is uniformly distributed between minus 1 and 1 if you have this CDF. We want to find distribution of y. From previous example, we know that the distribution of y is given by this expression. So what I need just to do is to just replace this x by a square root of y. So I put this square root of y here, I put minus square root of y here, and then subtract it and go by there. So what we do is that if I replace this x by square root of y, I get the square root of y plus 1 divided by 2. Obviously, if y is negative, you get 0. And then I put this x by minus the square root of y plus 1 divided by 2. And then I replace this guy by square root of y here. So this one says that square root of y absolute value should be smaller than 1, which I have this condition here. Okay. Now here it says that if I put this one here, okay, square root of y bigger than 1, I get 1. Okay, so you get 1 minus 1, you get 0, or you get 1. Okay, so if you add these guys together, you see that you have a square root of y here, a square root of y here. Therefore, you get this one, and this one, and this one simplify. So you will get this distribution. So the plot of this distribution is like that. So from minus 1 to 1, you will have a line. After that, you will have this one. So this function is f x of x. Okay, is this one. And then here is 1, and here is 0. Fy here, the distribution is for negative values of y, so this is y. For negative values of y, you have 0. For y bigger than 1, you get 1. So this is for this case. And between 0 and 1, you have a square root of y. A square root of y, a curve like that. So this is the CDF f y of y. So what we see in this example is that a uniform distribution, which is like a line, after this transformation, because it is squared, y cannot be negative, you get 0 here. And for x is bigger than 1, the CDF is 1, here we get 1. And in these probabilities are transformed to a like function like that.